told you you could convert all your current LinkedIn connections into a single spreadsheet like this with just one click? You can, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a completely legitimate way. Because I know there's a lot of sellers out there who are obsessed with lists, and there's still a large majority out there doing it out of a simple spreadsheet. So while the data this produces is limited, meaning there's still a little bit of enriching to be done for accurate emails and phone numbers, this is a great place to start. Especially if you're in an account management role or similar, where your intention on LinkedIn is to communicate to a closed and controlled audience. So let's head over to LinkedIn and get into it. First things first, you want to head up to the Me icon in the top right, and then scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Once we're in Settings and Privacy, we want to get down on the left-hand menu down to Data and Privacy. And then up here, scroll down to Get a Copy of Your Data. And if you haven't done this before, it'll open up in your Export Your Data. And what you want to do is actually click on the bottom one. Want something in particular, select the data and files you're most interested in. And then you want to click Connections and request the archive. Now there are a couple of gotchas. You'll need to double check which email address you've connected to LinkedIn, because that's where they're going to send your data. And check your spam. That's going to take about 10 minutes. But after that, you should receive an email that looks like this to download your data archive. From there, click the link and it's up to you as to how you use it. I've got some interesting ways I use this myself, so if you're up for a chat, you can connect with me on LinkedIn and pick up the conversation from there. Hope that's been useful, and thanks for watching. Cheers.